Starting around 02 July 2023, Ethereum explicitly is exchanging at $1,917.81 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.18% in fundamentally most recent 1 hour in a very huge manner. ETH especially has an essentially all-out market cap of $230,556,910,761, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $4,064,472,767, which most certainly is genuinely critical. This basically makes Ethereum, ETH, in every practical sense, positioning at 2 in the digital money market, which especially is very huge. On the off chance that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what, for the most part, is the Ethereum cost expectation end of 2023. What will Ethereum sort of be in every practical sense worth in 2023 incredibly? Is Ethereum a very wise speculation or exceptionally worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Will ETH cost essentially outperform its record-breaking high, which certainly is genuinely critical? These for the most part are our Ethereum cost expectations for ETH's future, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. Ethereum, ETH, value expectation 2023. As per the Ethereum figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the ETH cost by and large is supposed to commonly cross a normal value level of $2,426.77, the normal genuinely least value worth of Ethereum, toward the finish of the kind of current year, ought to generally be $2,330.86 in a truly significant manner. Besides, ETH can especially arrive at a truly most extreme value level of $2,590.24. Ethereum, ETH, value expectation July 2023. The cost for Ethereum in July 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $1,841.36 and $2,071.53, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. While the really normal exchanging cost ought to be around $2,013.99, which in every practical sense is very huge. ETH value gauge August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Ethereum by and large is determined to for the most part be at around a base worth of $1,997.69, which truly shows that in every practical sense, is Ethereum a truly wise speculation or essentially worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? The Ethereum value worth can generally arrive at a really limit of $2,172.23, with the genuinely normal exchanging worth of $2,074.41 in United States dollars, which basically shows that while the very normal exchanging cost ought to be around $2,013.99, or so they explicitly thought. ETH value figure September 2023. Concerning September 2023, Ethereum truly is supposed to arrive at a very least value worth of $2,080.66 in a by and large significant manner. The ETH cost could for the most part arrive at a very greatest cost of $2,275.95, with the typical cost around $2,157.39, or so they basically thought. Ethereum value forecast October 2023. The cost of Ethereum generally is truly anticipated to reach at a kind of least worth of $2,166.96 in October 2023 in an essentially significant way. The ETH cost could really arrive at a very greatest worth of $2,383.82, with the very normal exchanging worth of $2,243.68, all through 2023. Ethereum, ETH, value expectation November 2023. Concerning November 2023, Ethereum cost especially is conjectured to basically arrive at a particularly the most minimal cost of $2,256.71 in an unpretentious manner. The ETH cost could truly arrive at a most extreme cost of $2,473.57, with the very normal expected cost around $2,333.43, exhibiting how ETH value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Ethereum truly is estimated to essentially be at around a really least worth of $1,997.69, which certainly shows that especially is Ethereum and in every practical sense. Wise speculation or especially worth purchasing in 2023 in an in every way that really matters, significant way. Ethereum value figure December 2023. The really normal cost of Ethereum, ETH, could especially go to $2,426.77 toward the finish of December 2023. In an extremely significant manner, ETH could truly be exchanging around a very most extreme worth of $2,590.24, with the exceptionally least expected cost of $2,330.86. Showing how starting around 2 July 2023, Ethereum basically is exchanging at $1,917.81 in terms of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.18% in truly most recent 60 minutes, which is very critical. Ethereum genuinely passed value examination in the beyond 24 hours. The crypto certainly has been in a real sense diminished by 0.57% in its ongoing worth, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. On the off chance that we fundamentally look at the ongoing business sector cap of the ETH with yesterday's, you can sort of see that the market cap fundamentally is likewise down. So in the event that we basically look at the really current market cap of the ETH with yesterday's, you can for the most part see that the market cap truly is additionally down in an essentially huge manner. From genuinely most recent 7 days, the ETH sort of was in very great vertical pattern and expanded by 0.45%, which sort of is genuinely critical. Ethereum explicitly has shown areas of strength for truly of potential recently, and this could be very great chance to dive right in and basically put resources into an exceptionally significant way. Inside the genuinely most recent 1 month, the cost of ETH really diminished by 3.251%, taking out an incredible by and large normal amount of $64.45 from its ongoing worth. So from absolute most recent 7 days, the ETH in every practical sense was in genuinely great vertical pattern and expanded by 0.45%, or so they basically thought. This unexpected down basically implies that the coin explicitly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can generally be a genuinely great, generally purchase and open door for truly fast venture in every practical sense, in opposition to prevalent thinking. The 90 days cost change sort of is around 18.01%, and the cost basically coursed from a base commonly normal cost of $1,558.63 to pretty greatest, by and large normal cost of $1,606.66 in the beyond 90 days. In sort of most recent 4 months, Ethereum for the most part has shown a developing pattern in a really significant manner. Subsequently, we in every practical sense feel that comparable pieces of the market were very famous at that period, or so they fundamentally thought. As per the in every practical sense, most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Ethereum certainly is expanded from 4 months, which basically is very huge. The exchanging volume is a fundamental job in its cost in a by and large enormous manner. The coin sort of is up by 34.10%, with the genuinely greatest